board.
Okay.
Sometimes it'll fix itself. Let me know when it's loading.
Go.
Something's hitting us.
What the hell is
Yeah.
peppering at us? It's not
that
doing much
turret.
damage, it's just flickering our shields. Shields are still full, it's just enough to flicker the shields. You got any uplinks?
Negative.
Or are we just gonna keep blind? Okay.
Okay, let's go check out Delta. I think there's a tank over there.
See a guy on the hill. Got an LAV here.
Go for that tank. Looks like it's just abandoned.
Yep. Siege level.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Go, 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 go. It's not, rather a rail.
I think it's a rail turret.
Site.
All the turrets are red. Teams.
I know, that's what I was talking about before, they hacked them all.
Virus upload in progress.
Do none of our guys have tanks? There's like 2 of them now. Plus 3 LEDs.
NCC shield damage.
There's one guy on a rail installation somewhere.
Enemy dropship across the buildings. So he's putting in an uplink. Looks like he's outside the ship too. Let's swoop him quick.
Go for the pilot first.
Pitch a little to the right.
Objective JC. Virus upload complete.
Reloading.
Targeting hostile NCC.
I want my destruction points.
Oh, it's burning up. It's burning up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go check out Charlie.
He never got his uplink down either.
Objective JC.
Guys over Charlie.
Virus upload in progress.
Oh crap, swarms.
Just go, just go.
Objective A. Hacked. Virus upload in progress.
Got one of
Nice.
these. Still a couple by Charlie, right around the hill.
Man, this ship is heavy to fly. It's got a cranked controller.
You're doing a good job so far.
Warning. Objective GC.
This guy's out in the open.
Targeting NCC.
It's a long shot. Whoa, swarmer.
Whoa.
Objective A. Virus upload complete. Cannon targeting hostile NCC. Hostile NCC shield damage.
Wanna go pepper a different installation?
Go check out Delta. How's your ammo?
I'm good for a little while still. There's still a couple around Charlie.
Guys at Delta, guys at Delta.
Yeah. Waiting for a shot. Nice. Reloading. Still another one there.
Up the hill. Pulling out.
Yep.
No, 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 no.
You're good, you're good, you're good. You got it, you got it, you got it.
Objective B hacked. Virus upload in progress. Objective
Just
B.
afterburner it.
Virus
I think we're still in his range.
progress.
Oh, we're going down. Bail out, bail out, bail out, bail out, bail out.
Virus upload in progress.
Okay, let's go for Delta.
I was gonna say that's one of the better shiploads
Yeah.
we've had.
This
Yeah.
is just so slow with all the armor on, though.
Oh, the armor paid off a few times.
Objective A hacked. Virus upload in progress.
Okay, those blueberries on are fighting.
Warning. Objective B. Null cannon targeting MCC. Objective B. Virus upload complete. Null cannon targeting hostile MCC. Objective B. Hacked. Virus upload in progress. Objective G. Hacked. Virus upload in progress. Objective G. Virus upload.
Like a clown car, these keep coming out.
Heavy, heavy, heavy. Damn.
I got the heavy.
Warning. Objective A. Null cannon targeting MCC.
Okay, let's help. I'm gonna help this guy.
Take a grenade to take out this little
Oh, that's a glitch.
equipment here.
Objective.
Like they glitched it in there. There we go.
Null cannon still online. Objective B. Virus upload complete. Null cannon.
Okay, let's go to Alpha.
MCC.
Another guy.
One more. Cooling, cooling.
Got him. Another guy spawning in. Another guy spawning in.
I'm still cooling.
Another guy spawning in. Damn.
Hostile MCC.
Reloading.
Damage critical.
I'm overheated. Back up, back up, back up. Look at them all, look at them all. Damn.
Damage 50.
Overheat, overheat. I'm overheated. Grenade.
I'm down, I'm down.
Accept, accept.
Yep.
I'm out of ammo. Damn, that was a good run.
I'm down again.
We killed so many of them.
That was really good.
Hostile MCC.
Okay, X up when you can. We got blueberries around us. Oh, grenade.
Yeah.
Now you're terminated.
No, I'm down.
Yeah, I'm still alive. I'm
Hop into
hurting.
this guy's dropship. I got a friendly dropship I can spawn into.
I just need a Saudi bow. I was like shooting monkeys in a barrel. Only ran out of ammo.
Objective B. Hacked. Virus upload in progress.
Okay, I'm switching to a... So I'll switch to a Logi.
I see you running around on my joint. This guy's just got a railgun.
Hacked. Virus upload in progress.
I'm heading back to Alpha. I think we have a chance at cloning these guys. It's 99 against 39.
Virus upload in progress. Warning. Objective D. Null cannon targeting MCC.
It's the wrong dropship to jump into. You know how to fly, try to park on top of the building, just fell off.
Oh, damn it, I'm down there all by Delta.
Virus upload complete.
I don't know where I am. I'm hacking an enemy CRU wherever I am.
Oh, come on, needle guy. See you.
I'm halfway between... Where am I?
Warning.
I'm by Alpha. Where are you?
I'm at Alpha, I'm down. No one's gonna pick me up, so I'm spawning back in.
Is hacked.
Okay, so I'm at a CRU, kind of, it looks like it'd be right between Alpha and Delta on the, right against the hillside. Okay, see, I'm running towards you. I'm back here! I'm back here under the bridge!
Way over there. Okay, let's go for
Where are we going?
Charlie.
Virus upload is complete. Null cannon targeting hostile MCC.
Let me see what do you see.
Objective C. Hacked.
Yeah, I'm cool.
Virus upload in progress.
Oh, contact, roof. Okay, just stay there. Put yourself in harm's way. He's coming down the roof, he's coming down. Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Oh,
It's
there's
gonna
another
go
one
down.
up there. Any reps? Reloading.
Objective C. Virus upload complete. Null cannon targeting hostile MCC.
Well, we got him
Heavy
redlined.
machine gun is not good. Heavy machine gun is not good for trying to pin him off up top there.
Hostile MCC
Okay, where do you want to go?
damage 50%.
Let's just hang around Alpha.
Hang
Go
around
towards
Alpha.
Alpha. Oh, good shot. Oh, LAV.
Reloading.
There's a guy.
Whoa!
Oh, I'm down.
No!
Quick little sucker.
He just ran. He wouldn't even stay. Let me avenge you.
Jump spawn, Delta, maybe I'll bump into him.
I'm just over the hill from you.
Can't climb this hill.
I'm gonna take a second to reload.
Oh, they got 11 clones left. Let's go to Alpha. Let's push the red line. Nine clones left.
I just saw. I think I saw one suicide off the top of the Alpha.
Fell and died. 7 clones left. I'm gonna clone them.
Let's bunch together. Make it easier for him.
Maybe a second Charlie that's way over there.
Okay, there's a LAB around here somewhere. Just saw it pop up.
Objective C. Hacked. Virus upload in progress. Objective
Catch him, take a peek in the red line.
Virus upload in progress.
Nobody. See you guy.
Where?
At my 12.
We're taking Delta.
Hostile MCC
Come.
damage critical.
You have to this long range. He's running away.
Yeah, he's too far from me.
Some of that Delta?
Yeah, it's way too far for my machine gun.
We got 4 clones left.
Virus output failed. Null cannon still
Whoa!
online.
Something behind me.
Objective C. Null cannon targeting MCC.
That LED's back.
Oh, he's gone.
Yeah, he's gone. Something blowing him up real good.
There he is. This guy. Oh, damn.
Hostile
Yay!
area secured.
So you got 5 kills.
I got 13.
Cool.
Thanks to the
Nice.
dropship. I dealt 28,000
Wow.
damage.
Okay, go back to level.